All right, so let's review what like terms are. So to be considered a like term, you have to have the exact same letter or letters in exponents. So there's no exponents in the first one. I tried to keep it easy. So what we want to do is find all of our x terms. It doesn't matter what's in front as long as it has an x behind it. So we can see you have a 5x, a minus 2x, and another minus 2x. So I like to go through and underline all my x's first. And then what I'm going to do is stack them up. 5x minus 2x and minus 2x. You want to make sure you include the minus sign. We don't want to let that guy get away. So all of my x's are stacked up. Beautiful. All right. Now I'm going to underline my 4, and I want to see if there's anything else that has no letters at all. And it looks like 3 is kind of in the same boat. So these guys are like terms. So I'm going to stack 4 and positive 3. Sometimes I like to write plus just to remind myself that, yep, it was a positive 3. Right? And then what we're going to do is we're going to add these straight down. So we're going to do 5 minus 2, which is 3, minus 2, which is 1. So 1x. 4 plus 3 is positive 7. So you have to write plus for positive. So my answer is 1x plus 7. Now, we don't typically write the 1, so a lot of times you'll see the answer like this. That's considered more sophisticated. All right, so the whole purpose when they say simplify is they want you to make this as short as possible. They want you to put things together that can go together, so there's less stuff to read. Let's do it again. I'm going to underline all my m terms, 17 minus 9 minus 2, and I'm going to stack them up. Then I'm going to underline my no letter terms, which are minus 2 and positive 7, and I'm going to stack those up. And then I'm just going to go straight down and do the math. 17 minus 9 is 8, and then minus 2 makes it 6. Minus 2 or negative 2 plus 7 gets you positive 5, and we're done. Now, number 3, they're trying to trick you because it looks like, oh, this guy has an x and so does this. The thing is, though, this has an x squared and this does not. So these guys are not like terms because their exponents are different. So we'll go ahead and underline all of our x squared terms and stack those up. Then we'll underline our x terms and we'll stack those up. Then we'll underline our 7 and our 2 and we'll stack those up. And then we just go straight down and do the math. 3 minus 2 is 1. Negative 1x plus 5 is positive 4x. And 7 plus 2 is positive 9. Again, multiple choice questions typically don't write the 1, so if you see it like this, it's the same thing, but they'll write it like that. So we'll do one more together and see how that goes. So we're going to underline all of our p squared terms and we're going to stack them. Again, don't forget the minus that's in front of the 2. Then we're going to underline our p terms and we're going to stack those as well. Then we'll underline our 2 and our minus 1 and we'll stack those. And then we'll do the math. 3 minus 2 is 1. Negative 1 plus 6 is positive 5. 2 minus 1 is 1. And I didn't write the 1 here because I figured you would be okay if I didn't write it this time. So I just decided to skip a little bit of a step. All right. And that's how the game is played. So what I want you guys to do is try the next 4 problems. I want you to be underlining and stacking nice and neatly and not leaving minuses out. When you're ready, go ahead and pause this video, try the 4 problems. When you're done, unpause the video and the answers will come up. All right, good luck. All right, go ahead and take a look at your answers here. We should get 12 minus 5 plus 8, 8 minus 2 plus 5, 7 plus 4 minus 8, 4 plus 1m squared n minus 3. So hopefully that was okay. And if you have a different order, that's completely fine. Okay, what I want to make sure is, like, if you have a different order for this, you should still have a minus in front of your 2. All right, your 8 and your 5 should be positive, and you should have a minus in front of your 2. As long as that's happening, you're okay. All right. When you're ready, go ahead and end this video and go in and check out the last video. We're going to tie everything together.